2014 Impala came in with the check engine light. It's a P06DC for the oil flow control valve circuit high. I diagnosed the vehicle, found a bad oil control valve. Here is the new one right there. I'm going to show you how to replace it. The oil control valve is located on the driver's side, right next to the exhaust, the catalytic converter. It's held by this 10mm here. There is a cover. You need to take the cover off. That bolt there. And there is a 10mm that holds it to the engine block. You unscrew it, and that's the connector for it right there. It's usually attached over there under that coolant floating here, that pipe. This thing here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna use that bracket. I will use the old one that's in the engine, but it's a little bit harder to remove that little bracket here. So I'm gonna make it quick and easy. So let me remove that 10mm bolt. So we are under the vehicle because this thing is held by another 10mm here. You have to take it off. Here is the bolt, and we have to loosen this 15mm bolt here. Here's the last bolt, 15mm. It's actually 2 10mm and 1 15mm. All right. So the oil flow is sitting right on top of the oil filter here housing. It's 10mm. Using my 1/4" ratchet here, 10mm, and an extension. I'm taking out the oil flow control valve right now. I'm using my ratchet here. Be careful when you take that oil flow control valve. Some oil will come out. All right. Good. Alright. Alright. Here's the old one here. Let's put the new one in. Alright, let's put it in. Now we're gonna put the cover on. Everything is good here. All the bolts are back in. Now we have to go back on top to plug to put the last bolt and plug in the oil flow control valve. All right, put the last bolt in. Now we're gonna put the oil flow control valve connector and put it inside the bracket. Good. And let's plug in it. Let's plug it in. There you go, perfect. Now all I gotta do now is clip codes and it's good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.